Selling on Amazon FBA can be very profitable, but it can also be complicated. Many new sellers struggle with product research, keywords, competition analysis, and tracking the sales. Without the right tools, it's easy to waste money on products that don't sell. This is why smart FBA sellers use Helium10. In this video, I will explain in a very simple way how Helium10 helps FBA sellers win by saving time, reducing risk, and increasing the profits. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to grow with the right tools. If you enjoy easy to follow guides for online business, make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to use the link in the description. When you use that link, any special offer or trial for Helium10 that will be applied automatically. Now let's move to the main part of this video and see how Helium10 helps FBA sellers to be succeed. The first way Helium10 helps is through the product research. Finding the right product to sell is the most important step for any FBA seller. Helium10 allows sellers to search the Amazon for products with the high demand but low competition. It shows estimated sales, revenue, review count, and any other important data. This helps sellers avoid risky products and choose the items with real profit potential. By starting with the right product, sellers save time and money. Next, Helium10 makes keyword research easy. Knowing which keywords customers use to search for products is very essential. Helium10 provides tools to find the high traffic and relevant keywords for your listings. Using these keywords in your titles, bullet points, and descriptions helps your products appear in Amazon search results. More visibility means more clicks and higher sales. Another powerful feature is listing optimization. Many FBA sellers make the mistake of creating listings without proper structure or keywords. Helium10 guides sellers to improve their listings by suggesting where to place the keywords and how to structure titles and descriptions. Well-optimized listings attract more buyers and convert visits into sales, directly boosting the profits. Helium10 also helps with competitor tracking. Instead of manually checking competitors every day, sellers can monitor their products with Helium10. This tool tracks pricing, sales trends, and reviews. This allows sellers to adjust the pricing and strategies quickly and stay competitive. When you react fast, your products stay relevant and you reduce the risk of losing the sales. Another important area is inventory management. Running out of stock can hurt the ranking, while overstocking locks up the capital. Helium10 predicts sales and helps the sellers to plan the inventory correctly. This keeps products available, avoids the extra cost, and ensures the smooth cash flow. This keeps products available, avoids extra cost, and ensures smooth cash flow. Helium10 also helps the providers profit tracking and analytics. Sellers can see their actual profit after fees, shipping, and expenses. Many beginners only look at the sales numbers, but Helium10 shows which products truly makes money. Focusing on profitable items helps the sellers to grow their business faster. For advanced sellers, Helium10 also offers automation and alerts. The tool can alert you about changes in listings, hijackers, and negative reviews. This allows sellers to protect their accounts and maintain a strong reputation. Quick action prevents losses and builds long-term success. In simple words, Helium10 helps FBA sellers by guiding them to the right products, improving listing, tracking competitors, managing inventory, analyzing profits, and protecting accounts. It saves time, reduces mistakes, and helps sellers to grow their business confidently. So thank you so much for watching this video on Easy Access Tech. If this video helped you to understand how Helium10 helps FBA sellers to be succeed, then make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description to try Helium10 with any available offer, and that will be applied automatically. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.